Have you ever wondered why some people are scared to spend money while others spend like there's no tomorrow? Why you feel guilty buying something nice or anxious every time your bank balance drops? Here's the truth. Your financial life didn't start with your first paycheck. It started in your childhood, and most people never even realize it. When you were a child, you didn't learn money from books. You learned it by watching how your parents reacted to bills, how they talked about rich people, whether money was a source of stress or stability. If money was always tight, you might have learned money is scarce, I must hold on to it. If your family struggled or fought over money, you learned money causes pain, avoid it, or fear it. And if money was used as a reward or punishment, you learned money equals love or control. These beliefs don't disappear when you grow up. They silently guide every financial decision you make. Now you're earning, you have a salary and independence, but your childhood patterns are still running in the background. Maybe you're the oversaver who saves aggressively but feels anxious spending even on necessities. Maybe you are the overspender who spends to feel better because growing up money meant happiness or escape. Maybe you are the avoider who ignores finances completely because money feels overwhelming. Or maybe you are the status seeker who buys things to prove something because as a kid you felt less than. Your income may have changed, but your mindset hasn't. And if you don't understand this, you will keep repeating the same financial mistakes. Earning more but still feeling broke, saving money but never feeling secure, spending money but never feeling satisfied. Because the problem isn't your salary, it's your internal script. And the worst part is, most people blame themselves, saying, I'm bad with money or I lack discipline, but you're just running a program you didn't choose. The good news is, you can change this, but first you need awareness. Ask yourself, what did my parents teach me about money? What emotions do I feel when I spend or save? Am I acting out of logic or past conditioning? Then, start replacing those beliefs. Money is scarce becomes money can be managed and grown. I don't deserve wealth becomes I can create financial stability. And most importantly, build systems, not emotions. Track your expenses, create a simple budget, automate savings, because systems override childhood patterns. Your childhood shaped you, but it doesn't have to define you. You can earn differently, you can think differently, you can live differently. And the moment you understand your money story is the moment you take control of your financial future. If this made you rethink your relationship with money, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's still unknowingly living their childhood financial script, because awareness is the first step to wealth.